All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Another day, another dollar, or baht, should I say. Here's Pocky. Pocky, sorry.
สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Pocky. Now I will show you Savannah food and restaurant. Let's go.
Let's go.
Pocky to go for a tour.
Contact
.com
Contact the Baldy blog.
ดีค่ะ
ลูกค้ากาแฟหรืออาหารดีครับ
กาแฟก่อนค่ะ แล้วขอดูเมนูอาหารด้วย
เก้าอี้ดีครับ
Where would you like to sit? Coffee or food?
Food.
Okay, food. You want to sit on the floor or on the table?
เลยติดประตูไว้ครับ
Okay. There is a coffee bar inside. Have air condition. You can come see later.
Okay, we'll see you later.
Where would you like to sit? There. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one? Here. Yeah. Thọ รองเท้าตรงนี้ You're not scared of water? Sun.
Right, so
At the end is like coffee menu here. Okay, beautiful cake.
this one, that looks good. I don't know if I want that, but it's too early. Too early for that sort of food. No cow soy.
Food menu. No English but have picture. เดี๋ยว
They got tom yum.
ต้มยำมีไหม
ต้มยำมีครับผม
ค่ะ
Yeah.
เนี่ยต้มยำ number 6
1, 2, 4, 7, 5, 3. That's not tom yum. I can use Google Lens.
yeah หมูทอดยอดย่า
You can use Google Lens, so you shouldn't have to read everything out to me. Translate. There we go. French fries with cheese balls. I'm just going to have French fries and cheese balls because I'm not that hungry. French fries and cheese balls. I'm going to have something British. While we're waiting for the food, I'm going to put the drone up. I've been allowed to put the drone up here. I hope you enjoyed that drone footage. The coffee shop over there, was it a coffee pod? We'll go and see after I flew over it, but we'll go see it. Let's have a lot of food we've got here. Broccoli with prawn. Not very exciting, is it? What's the real name? What's the Thai name?
broccoli ผัดกุ้ง
Broccoli paku.
This one คอหมูแดดเดียว the pork. They use the pork and mix with oil salt and sugar to make them have the different taste. And then put this one on the sun, dry in one day, and then they take back to cut like a piece and deep fry them and put the sauce in here. Sesame, white sesame.
Sesame seeds. Is this seaweed?
Oh,
Seaweed.
I don't know. Cat fire.
Let me try it. I think it's seaweed.
Cat fire. Cut and do deep fry.
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
What's the name of it? This.
หมูแดดเดียว
No, daddy.
หมู is mean pork แดดเดียว is one sunburn.
Okay. This is cheese balls with a cheese dip. That's it. You dip the cheese ball in the dip. Let's see how these cheese balls are. Oh, that's good. Here's what she just explained about. Very nice. Oh my.
And dip with different sauce. Chili
And
sauce.
that's peanut.
Peanut with Thai chili.
Peanut and chili.
A little bit.
I better be careful with this apparently. My God, what? Oh my God.
So careful.
I don't know why. Oh God. Need water. Hot. Have it without the chili sauce. Oh, stick to my cheese balls and chips. Here come the chips. Have a look at these amazing chips. Not very tired at all. Oh, look at these chips. How do you explain these? These come from, they grow potatoes in the ground. They get the potatoes and when they're big enough, and they chop the potatoes up and put them in it's burning. They put them, make them as slices to make chips, then they fry them and serve them. I can tell you all about chips. So I finished the meal. That was lovely, even though mine was British. Well, wasn't Thai anyway. So this must be for romantic people. Obviously I don't need that. Well, not today. So maybe it's for a wedding. Advertising weddings maybe. I'm not sure. I'm going to the coffee house now. I haven't had a coffee yet. Let's have a look. We'll look at it and we'll wait to go in there. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It smells of coffee obviously. We'll wait till Pocky comes out. Oh, she's over there. What's she doing over there? What, she went to the toilet? God knows. Show us the way to the coffee place, Pocky.
Let's go. Coffee shop. Coffee shop. น่านั่งมากข้างในค่ะ Okay. Scary a little bit. It's nice here. You can sit on here. You can sit on here too. Let's go down. Okay. Let me check. I go down. เอาคาปูชิโน่นม 25% นะคะร้อน
2 รายการ130 บาทค่ะ
130 บาท
ค่ะ
อันไหนอร่อยคะ
ตอนนี้เค้กจะเหลือตัวนี้กับปังกระเทียมแล้วก็จะมีแบล็คฟอเรสต์ค่ะ